Do you have a website and want it to be found on Google? Do you want to bring relevant organic traffic to your website? Do you care about your site's performance on Google search? Do I hear yes? Well, you are in the right place. The upcoming Search Console training series is here to help. In this series, I'll guide you through everything you need to know to get up and running with Google Search Console in no time, from verification to reports and settings. I'll discuss how to monitor your site search traffic, fix issues, and help users find your awesome website. My name is Daniel Weisberg. I'm a search advocate at Google, and I'll help you make your site shine in Google search results with the new Search Console training series coming to the Google Webmasters YouTube channel soon. Stay tuned.